Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Whenever you've been given an expression and they've given you the values for the variables in the expression and they're telling you to evaluate that expression, all what you've been asked is where you see the variables, right? Just plug in the numbers that they gave you. So like this one, this is the expression right here. Where you see the y, you just plug in that number right there. Where you see the m, you just plug in the number that they gave you. So that means in this case, the y that they gave you is -3, right? So where I see y, I'm just going to put a -3. And then I bring the minus sign down, right? 2. Where I see the m, they gave it to me to be 3. So I'm going to put a 3. And when you have a number in a variable, there's like a times here, right? So it's like 2 times my m, which is 3. And I just solve it. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction, right? So I'm going to multiply these two first. -2 times 3 is -6. Now I'm solving it, right? And I break down my -3 right here. And then -3 minus 6 is what? -9. And that's it. So with evaluating an expression, like I said, all you're doing is you just plug it in the values for the variables that they gave you. Just plug it in and then solve it. I hope you got this. And don't worry, we're going to practice more. The more, that's how math is. The more we practice, you're going to get this, okay? Did I just hear someone say, this is too easy? I can't believe it. Well, evaluate the expression. So I have this expression, and I'm going to have to evaluate it. Given k to be 15 and b to be 1. And what I learned is all I have to do is where I see the variables, I'm just going to plug in the variable, the values for the variable given right here. So that means this is going to stay the same. So I have my negative, but my k is given to be 15, right? All right, so I'm going to put my 15 right here, okay? And then over 3, and this is like a time, so times, and my b is given to what? 1. So I plug in my 1. And now I have -15 up top, and then 3 times 1 is 3. So now I'm just solving it, right? So -15 divided by 3 is what? -5. And that's it. So all I had to do was just plug in the values for the variables they gave me. Oh, that wasn't bad. I like this. That's not bad at all. All right.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.